Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Chrome is installed and updated. This ensures compatibility and security. Once done, sign into your Google profile in Chrome so bookmarks and settings carry over. Make sure you have admin privileges or permission to change system defaults. Without that, the OS will block the change. Now, close other browsers to avoid session conflicts. This speeds detection. Open Chrome, go to the three-dot menu, and be ready to set defaults in the next step. You now change system defaults. On Windows, open Settings, choose Apps, then Default Apps, locate the web browser entry and pick Google Chrome. On macOS, open System Settings, go to Desktop and Dock or General depending on version, and set Google Chrome as default web browser. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Default Apps, then Browser App and choose Chrome. Make sure to confirm prompts. The OS may ask why. Chrome handles links and performance consist. You finish by testing. Click a link in an email or document to confirm Chrome launches. If another browser still opens, inspect for management policies or admin restrictions that reset defaults. Corporate devices often enforce these. Once done, restart your device and reapply the default if necessary. This clears lingering handlers. If problems persist, remove the old browser's default associations or disable its helper apps, then set Chrome again. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves stubborn overrides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.